Hello, I thought I would pop on today and share the Crafty gifts that I received for Christmas. So these are all from my sister and her hubby, or my mum and dad. First of all, I want to share this, which isn't Crafty, but I thought it was really cute. So this is a Jane Austen fan. You can see her signature on there and her little cameo, and it's really pretty. I don't tend to use the electric fans, so I actually really love real fans, and I'm a big fan of Jane Austen. And it's got the language of the fan in the middle, which I thought was fascinating. I love this one. Open and shut, you are cruel. um, yeah, so it's quite an interesting little piece of history in the middle there. But yeah, like I said, not crafty, but I just thought it was beautiful. Onto the crafty bits. So this is a DIY miniature house, and it's the Christmas candy stand. I think I've got a book one of these as well, which I haven't got around to building yet. But it does actually light up as well, so obviously it requires batteries, but I think that does look super cute, so I need to get around to building that and the bookshop as well. Then some stamps. Most of you will know that I am a Leslie Zagada fan. So I've got these three stamps. We have the fox with mug, the whimsical door with fern, and the hedgehog with present. I think the animals are absolutely adorable, and then these are really great for adding backgrounds and scenes. Then from Cardi, I've got quite a big wedge here of stamps. We've got Whispers of Winter, Leaves on the Ground of Brown and Gold, A Tale of Winter Yet to be Told, a gentle breeze that twists and strays and shares stories of its wintry days. Then we have the pumpkin patch with our scarecrow, and this is Winter Hillside, Village Vista. I love this owl sweeping in. Trick or Treat. We've got some tiny trick or treaters there. A broom with a view, which I absolutely love. I think this must be one of my favourite cardio stamps that's come out recently. And Autumn Eve. So we've got lots of little embellishment pieces there to add a bit of character to your scenes. And we have Signs of Christmas. And on our sign it says Market, Hot Chocolate and a Christmas Tree Farm. Another one of those gorgeous owls. And finally, Magical Christmas. And then I have some pieces from Studio Light, or by Studio Light. So we've got this little character here. I don't think it has a name. No, oh, it says Cosy Dear. It does have a name. Normally they just give their stamps a code. You can see what it would look like coloured up there. And then we have another scarecrow, this time from, like I said, Studio Light, and this is called Pumpkin. And this window stencil, which I've got so many ideas for. I love that it's this old style window, it's not just that sort of plain square, and this is Love of My Life collection. Then we have a couple of masks, so this one is the Autumn Forest. So we've got the trees and the leaves as well. And you can see the design now on the back. And finally, leaf background. Again, it's probably easier to show it on that side so you can see what you can build up. You can of course see that these bits and pieces lean into my love of autumn and Halloween and winter and Christmas. I'd love to know which pieces were your favourites. If you liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd love to read your comments, and if you don't already, I'd love you to consider subscribing. Until next time, cheerio.